What's up, guys? It's another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we are working on a Scion TC. Now the owner decided to do a little bit of off-roading with it. As you can tell, he got the fender, he got the door, and he got the quarter. So I'm going to show y'all today how we fix it. He got everything. As you can see, the front bumper's got a big dent in it too, so let's pop it out. Here's the rear bumper before, and rear bumper after. Have some light pulling. Alright, at this stage I have everything pretty much pulled out as far as I can go with the slide hammer and all the pulling tools. I've started my first layer of fiberglass to reinforce everything and make it stronger so that I can use finishing putty. This is after a little bit of finishing putty and primer. Alright, so here we're starting to tape everything up and get it in its final prep stages. Got everything masked off, got everything sanded down, block sanded, and we're about ready to shoot some primer. Alright, I primed the last little bit of sections. As you can see, I got the wing off and I got everything taped up. The whole car's been sanded down thoroughly. Shot a little bit of spot primer in some places, and we're ready for paint.
Alright, so now we got to our first coat of paint. As you can see, it's laying on pretty good. It's a little spotty, but with another coat that'll clear right out. Looking slick. The paint code for this is 1EO Flint Mica. Alright, so on to the second coat. As you can see, we're getting really good coverage now. It's really nice and slick and shiny. Looks like that'll be good to go. Just let it cure out good, and she's ready for the final reveal. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed the new recording style. I'll try something a little bit different for this episode. Leave me a comment down at the bottom. Let me know what you thought. And if you're not on YouTube, comment on Facebook. But please, if you don't already have a YouTube account, get a YouTube account, subscribe, so we can build them followers up, guys. And I appreciate everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.